If you own an active pressure washer, you already know that they make quality products. This cart is no different. This is the active mobile hose reel and cart. Now this active mobile hose reel cart takes convenience to the next level by having everything set up for you so you don't have to piece together everything when you go to wash. Reducing friction in your washing process actually makes you want to wash your car more. So having a cart like this will actually make it easier for you to get everything set up, so washing your car is that much more enjoyable. Now, as you can see, we have an active 2.0 pressure washer mounted to this, and it's on nice wheels to be able to move your pressure washer setup. The cart has mounting capability for any active pressure washer. It has the hose reel here, which if you get the upgrade kit through Active, it's just plug and play, it works immediately. And if you get the upgrade kit through Adams Polishes, you can swap out the connection pieces so you can use the upgrade kit from Adams Polishes. It also has a basket with a net back here, so you can actually keep your snub nose, whether it's Active or Adams Polishes. Back here in the basket, you can keep your foam cannon, any washing accessories that you want to keep with you, including your soap or whatever you need. On the back here, you see the 10-inch wheels with rubber wheels on here, so they go over really any surface that you're pushing this around. And then on the front, it has the premium casters that you can lock in. So if you want to wheel this thing out, lock it in your driveway, connect your water source, and boom, you can start washing immediately. Now, another cool thing about the active mobile hose reel cart is the handle here you use to push out to wheel out into your driveway, wherever you want to take it, is it actually can fold down. So once you get it back into your garage, you can fold the handle down, tuck it away in your garage, and it's not going to take up a bunch of space. If you own an active pressure washer, you already know that they make quality products. This cart is no different. If you're looking for convenience when it comes to washing your car, making setup very, very easy, put everything on one cart, the active mobile hose reel cart. It makes washing really, really easy. You can tuck it away when you're done, and then when it's time to wash your car, wheel it out, and boom, you're already washing your car. We're proud to partner with Active to be able to offer not only their pressure washers, but this active mobile hose reel cart.